Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to group elements on Canva mobile app. First of all, let's open a design. Now here, add some elements. Just go on the bottom and click on this element. Okay, I'm going to select this one and this one. Okay, now I want to group these two elements. So what you have to do is select any one of these elements, and here click on more, and you will see this option select multiple. Click on it. Now select both the elements. Now as you can see, I have selected two elements and it is showing also that I have selected two elements. Now what you have to do, just click on this option group. Now as you can see, these two elements are grouped now. So that's how you can group two elements on Canva. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.